Hi friends, with greetings. I'm going to present to you the mastery curve for learning through a PowerPoint presentation. The lamp is there, glowing. A bird's eye view about the entire episode. Right? I'm Dorairaj SN. I can be reached through by mail ID dadsriranga@gmail.com. You are now completed the plus 2 or PUC examination. You are at the prime age of 17 years. The 4 years is very crucial. You'll have to have a proper plan so that at the end of your 25th year, I'm giving 8 years, 4 years of graduation plus all, plus or minus graduation. You must be in a position to stand in the market with lot of value addition. We don't want, the new economy doesn't want a mute person. We want people to show their talents. The government is again coming forward to support each and every one. It is the time to take off the petty things and look forward for challenges. Right? Uh, I will explain to you in the other slides. Let's move on. Please join me. Moving forward, let us step into the real world for achieving dreams. Dreams are there, great dreams. You have finished your PUC plus two and you're waiting to get into the real life. And each one of us will dream in a unique way. The ladder is there, you have to claim. When you claim, you put a question in yourself how to be great. It is not unique, it varies from person to person. In this connection, I am going to record three important perquisites. One is the head connection. Here, you need to be aware of your strategy. Be careful, you must be aware of your strategy. The strategy of claiming, not that man is claiming, I'm also claiming. No. What is your strategy? What is that you have planned for? Therefore, you must be aware. Keeping that awareness now, the heart connection, which leads you to take care about your strategy. There you must be aware. Here you must be intent to take care of the strategy which you have formed. The last one, but not the least, the hands connection. The very important is how you are going to push. No, not only pushing your strategy, you must have enough energy, positive energy, to see that your strategy becomes the real productive one. Now, this strategy need not be a shortcut. It is not unviable. It is viable. It can be achieved, by looking at the entire environment, you can be able to see how you can plan yourself. The dream is there. You always dream that I want to become the X factor, the Y factor, whatever the case may be. So the first step when you get into your dreams that you already achieved halfway of your real worth in your life. Moving forward, I'm going to draw a graph. Don't get afraid. I'm not going to bring the mathematical tongue twisting. Right. On the right hand side, we have x-axis. The x-axis is being represented by time. Time is very important. Time and tide won't wait for people. On the y-axis, I have taken it as the skill. Each one of us got the inborn, inbuilt quality of skill. Don't say skill has to be developed. No, skill has to be enhanced at every stage. How we are going to correlate these two important components, time on one side, x-axis, and skill on the y-axis. This is a mastery curve. How the mastery curve, I am going to present it to you. I am going to draw rather. Start from the, wait now, okay, come. You want to come, curious, come, okay, comfortable? Now on the x-axis, the first is what normally called from the base, the first curve is we represented by a novice. A novice is nothing but the immature. You are in the market. You have finished your you have finished your education +2. Now you must plan. If you don't plan properly, you become a dropout, right? So having planned very well in consultation with all the people, the second stage is the amateur. Right? You slowly pick up the various techniques. You have the maturity mind. So when you reach the amateur stage, you are going to have an acceptable performance. No, your performance, whatever you do, it has been accepted by people in the world. The third one is very important, deliberate plateau. So it's a deliberate. That means you have an inclination. You have say, I must prove, I must become the first student or first gentleman to grab that job or get the first rank. That is called expert. You do a lot of acrobatics. You say, I want to become an expert. Right, it's very important. And the last one, once if you become an expert, oh, you are the king. Nobody can touch you, and you will be the hero of all the important facets in life. That we call you become a pathfinder. That pathfinder is nothing but taking or carrying on the mastery curve to the highest peak. Therefore, we say the mastery curve is nothing but a leader. The leader, if he wants to lead, he must be an expert, and if he wants to be an expert, he must cross the amateur stage, and the amateur stage built up from the novice. Look at the first one. From the base to novice, the skill development is very small. The second one, take the pathfinder. Pathfinder to expertise, the gap is so much. And between the amateur and the novice, it is again a lot of expansion. But very important is between the amateur and expert, your skill development is phenomenal. You have a phenomenal exchange. You have a phenomenal view of how your skill has been developed. It is not only by copying somebody, and your own innate quality has been transformed into a practical phenomenon. Therefore, if you become an expert, that the society will bow down their head. Right? Therefore, the time is very important. When the time overnight, you are not going to become expert. Mind you, you have to undergo the various processes, the pain, the novice stage, the amateur stage. After picking up the secrets of the trade, you become an expert. If you become an expert, then you go in or you have been shunted to a higher path. That path is nothing but the leadership path. That is the mastery curve. Now here again I stress now between amateur and the pathfinder, you want to have an expertise opinion. You want to observe each and everything, not only internally but externally. You are going to pick up all the trade secrets or the important positive vibration that is available everywhere. Right? This is what you call the mastery curve. Let me explain to you one by one. Let me proceed further to explain the various terms. In other words, how each stage connects you. That's very important. You have to be connected to the world. You already completed your basic education, that is 17 years of education. Now you are looking forward for a bigger role to play in your life. Right? Therefore, we have to be connected. Wait now, I'll connect you. I'll connect you. The connection is very important. I'm very glad that you have taken it very seriously. Therefore, the connection is very important. First of all, I told you the novice stage. Who is a novice? A person who is new to the circumstances, various circumstances. Now, normally we say he's a beginner. When you say he's a beginner, naturally you have certain constraints. Here, mind you, you must be very alert. You become a very important man because you get engaged because something triggered your interest, isn't it? Yes, I passed my PUC. I'm 17 years old now. Let me put my effort to see that I grow the way in which I want to grow. Yes or no? Yeah? Yes or no? Shout. Yes, yeah. If you're not constantly triggered, what will happen? You'll drop out, isn't it? That enthusiasm, that the Josh must come to you. Well, I can prove, I can be something in the society. Now, if you want to do that, triggering is not easy, no casual. You must practice. You must practice in such a way that practice takes you up to a larger part of your agenda. You must concentrate. No, telling no, I want to be great, or sitting and sleeping doesn't make you much mark. You must come out of the cocoon and you say, well, I'm going to achieve it. This is my agenda. Therefore, progress at this level may be very fast, especially with the help of your teacher. Somebody motivates you, your parents are the teachers. Your mother especially motivates you, do that, do this, do this. They'll shout. You don't shout back. Therefore, get into the area where through practice only improvement will continue. Nothing wrong, practice. If you want to achieve something, you must practice, practice, practice. Practice makes a man perfect. That is in the novice stage. If you don't do all these parameters, you will be a dropout. You know what's a dropout? You can't say you don't want to swim with the current. You'll go out. Come to the next stage, amateur stage. Who is an amateur? Here, one who engages in a study, sport, or other activity not for pleasure but for purpose. Therefore, the amateur stage is very important. Here, the experience is not going to be counted. The experience may be inexperienced or you will be unskilled. But what you are going to do is that there is a spot in which you can get the progress. The progress is always be a continuing phenomena to achieve what you intend to do. Therefore, it is not going to stop you if you don't practice it. For improvement, you need to have practice. If you don't practice, that is not going to lead you for any improvement. Right? To advance beyond the amateur stage, you need a push. Somebody need not be pushed. You must push yourself. You know what you have. You know what are your strengths, not the weaknesses. Based on the strength now, push yourself. Now, when you push now, naturally, there's going to be a very important turnaround in your life. Then we switch on to the expert stage. When you do this, pushing yourself to the front compulsorily, it is an expert stage. It is a deliberate plateau that we are going to take into account. Other people identify your talent and your ability because there's a plateau. A very knowledgeable person about or skillful attitude will take in your own possession. Therefore, it's very important. Now, you may say he's an expert in the health care, he is an expert in the giving lectures. Like you say, probably each one of your neighbors will identify, and they will not only identify you as a person, but also they will identify your passion. Therefore, focus on deep practice, not on the upper level. You must see ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತೀವಿ practice, practice, practice makes a man perfect. Therefore, practice to achieve something worthwhile, unique, where other people did not possess that you know area of uniqueness. So that is in the expert stage. Once if you become an expert, right, you can definitely guide others. The expert stage is not an easy one. You can't reach overnight. It requires a lot of a lot of what we call the patient's perseverance, and this is the place where we are going to have plateau. The plateau is now it is the flat elevated landform that rises sharply. So you have to go step by step without having any hindrance to you or to others. That is the expert stage. Switching on, comes there. You are going to be a leader, restless. You want to achieve something. You want to show to your friends, to your parents, to your teachers that you have achieved and you are in the process of achieving something. That means that you reach the pathfinding stage. You are going to be a leader. You honed your own skill, no, out of practice. Personalize them. Carry carry your own signature. No, make sure that that's you can people can look up to you. Look up, look that gentleman. He is an icon. You can emulate his acts. That's the way your signature. To continue to move forward, you must innovate and open new avenues for others. Don't keep yourself within yourself. Don't be self-introspect. Then you must come out. Make others also to come along with you and see that they also get the benefit of your experiences. Ultimately, your purpose comes into play. That means you have achieved something for the society, for you, for your family. No, therefore, if you want to become the best that you can and leave a legacy in your field, you must practice and you must become a leader. That is the pathfinder stage. It is not the question of again, beating your own trumpet. It is again taking the entire system for a higher plateau. So you can reach that mastery level should you determine to do so. Therefore, make it a point that you must practice and you must be able to contribute to the society. These are all the various mastery, mastery level or mastery conclusion. Your journey based on the above stages will be taken care of and monitored from time to time by the management, faculty members, administrative and supporting staff with love and affection. At where? Now these are all there. Somebody is going to push you forward. Yeah, give a big hand for Sabelaku institutions where the entire team is working behind you. They will don't say they are harassing you. No, they are interested in you. Through you, they want to serve the society, the management, and the other faculty members or other people who are involved. Need not be faculty members. Whoever is able to reach you, they are really reaching you to see that your innate potential can be exposed. You can become one of the important members in the society. Don't think that 3 years or 4 years of your sojourn here is going to be very, very painful. Please undergo the pain today to enjoy the pleasure tomorrow. It is a unique institution. They are going to turn your dreams into reality. That is not over the shortcut method. It is only going through the various plateau or the various steps you are going to take in the academic life. Don't be again be totally personified oriented. You will come out, mingle with people, cross exchange, talk to them, come to the rescue, and help the needy students in clearing the doubts. It is a group dynamism that going to play a very important part. Don't think that getting up in the morning or following up the rules and regulations. No, unless you have your culture imbibed in your day-to-day thinking, nothing can come out. Today, you can get your degree, you can get your other status in a shortcut manner. That is not going to help you. You must have a self-satisfied growth in your life. No, it's an opportunity, and I hope you have taken a correct decision to approach to find and marry that institution which is likely to provide your requirements in a positive direction, right? Therefore, not only they are going to give you the requirements of the system, but they also coined the word integrated. That means they are not going to be touching only one aspect. It's a multilateral, multifaceted activities which have been taken by the institution. They are all in all. They said You must become a citizen. And if you become a citizen of the Osabeloku institution, you are going to be the master of masters, and people will remember you. And in turn, the institution gets the name in the years to come. Right? Moving on, what is the responsibility of the Osabeloku College in adding value to the society? Right? See, Guru Sishya Parampara, ethics and culture has to be inculcated in all walks of life, both at the teaching level and the learning level. So for that, they may embrace the concept of turning the aspirations into reality. You know, each one of us got an aspiration, mind you. Even at this age, I have my own aspirations. So that aspiration has to be converted. It has to be culminated into reality. Otherwise, it becomes a tamasha. So the very important motive or the vision of any institution should be the aspiration should be met in a positive direction, in the most acceptable direction, with all the reverence. Right? For this, of course, my observation is they are introducing the dual integration. You know, you can simultaneously do your graduation. Group preparation is being arranged. Classroom atmosphere is homely atmosphere where you can spend your time uh, at your will, at your whimsy. Right? That's supposed to be atmosphere. Then classroom exposition. You will be mingling with your peer group. You can take class, followed by the library facilitation, computer exposure. That is 24/7. You can have your physical and mental presence in these facilitation centers. The pedagogy is entirely to your liking. Teachers will be more friendly and they are more knowledgeable. Reading comprehension followed by total assessment. Assessment is very important because through that you know what are your weak links or weak parameters. Followed by the unique residential routes here, extramural activities, salubrious atmosphere. All things have been encouraged here, except the negative aspect. You will be positively motivated to achieve your goal within the given time framework to see that your dreams are being fulfilled. So the enlightened management, the encouraging staff, the everlasting bondage. That's very important. Today, by embracing the concept of your aspiration into reality is not the short-lived. It is a long-lasting and everlasting bondage. And through you, the world is going to get the information what the institution has got in its own mind. It's not, I'm not overemphasizing. You may go through yourself the various activities, how it has been meticulously planned, executed. That's very important. So there may be uh, corrective measures that will be taken care of by the management from time to time. So welcome you for this very eventful life in your very eventful day for you to make a mark. You must become a leader. You must become a pathfinder. Thank you. Wish you best of luck. Thank you.